Welcome back, guys. So, I have some activities for you. I want you to go to your personal account that you've created for yourself. I want you to create a trendy content. And what that means is that I want you to come to your trending topics and I want you to choose a topic to talk about. So, I'm going to say trending, and based on what you would love to talk about, depending on your niche or what you would love to talk about, it could be football, it could be music, it could be anything, it could be politics. So you could choose any of these topic actually. So we have Lagos as number one trending topic. We have NYC, we have Nigeria. So you could easily come to Grok and tell Grok to create, yes, I'll say create a viral post about Nigeria. So beware of what you post actually, but right now, so let's see how we are going to use. So there are features on Grok which is called think or you deep search. So this would search the web and this would think like procedure thinking is going to have it here. So you could choose this for procedural thinking. So I'm going to see how this goes. So I'm trying to create a viral post about Nigeria. So let's see how this goes. So it's going to create a post for us and we'll be able to use it. And that's the same thing I want you to do. I want you to create a post from a trendy topic. That's the first activity I'm giving you. And it's just a way for you to improve your visibility and see how your account will develop in no time. So right now, I'm waiting for this clock to create the viral content for me. Though I use deep thinking, that's why it's taking a lot of time. But let's see how long that will take. And here we are. So I'm trying to create my post right now, and let's see how that goes. So I'm going to come right here. I'm waiting for Grok to bring out the prompt for this, and we're going to be able to create a post. So I want you to do the same. I want you to take any trendy topic. I want you to create a post for a trendy topic. So let's see how Grok would come up with something with deep thinking. So here we are. Here is a viral post about Nigeria that is designed to captivate, educate, and spark engagement. So Nigeria is a land of rich culture and all that. A child who wishes. So here I get to inspire you. This Nigerian proverbs carry deep lesson. A child who wishes his hands clean eats with elders or something like that. A child who washes his hands clean eats with elders. Yeah. The lizard that jumped. So we have all this. So I want which one speaks volume? So you could see all this. So you could say Nigeria is a land of rich culture, vibrant energy, and timeless wisdom. These Nigerian proverbs carry deep lessons for okay, so I could actually use this. Yeah, I could use this and drop a referral. Yes, so let's share wisdom. So let's use this actually. Let's use this since I have a premium account, so I could easily post this. So I wanted to create, you will not be able to create something as full as this, but I wanted to create something not necessarily as full as this. So you could have all these, and let me just make sure this is out. So I'm going to just make sure that is out. So it says Nigeria is a land of rich culture, vibrant energy, and timeless wisdom. Wisdom, yes, and timeless wisdom. So these Nigerian proverbs carry deep lessons that resonate with everyone. So yeah, to inspire you, we have this, and it goes this way. Okay, so the mini says hard work and preparation unlock amazing opportunities. It's all about earning your seats at the table. Yes, so we have this, and we have the mini right here, which says the lizard that jumped from the high Iroko tree said he will praise himself if no one else did. Yes, celebrate your wins even if no one else does. Confidence is everything. So when the moon is shining, the cripple becomes hungry for a walk. Yeah, so what it means is that when the moment's right, sees it, good vibes, inspire action. Which one speaks to you? Yes, drop your favorite proverb from Nigeria or your own culture in the comments below. Let's share some wisdom. So yes, you are going to have a post posted, something like that has a topic from the trend table. So you're going to have that done. So that is the first activity I'm giving you. So this is, I'm having long form content because I'm subscribed to X Premium. That's why I'm having this long content. But if you try it from other accounts, you won't be able to do that. So you have to create a short, tweet. Yes, so you have to make sure it's a short tweet. So I'm going to post that. So you could just come here and say, make it short, make it short, between 200 to 280 characters. So that will be for shorts if you are not subscribed to premium, because you'll not be able to create, except you want to create it as a thread. But I want something simple. So it says Nigerian wisdom, a child who watches, and you have, I want the word Nigeria. I want the word Nigeria in it. Yes, so we're going to do this. So let's see what we have. So we want, so it says Nigeria's wisdom, a child. So here we are. So you could create a viral post. I want you to do that. I want you to take a topic from the trendy topic and create a post surrounding it. So we have trending, and here in my trendy I have Lagos, I have Nigeria. So I chose Nigeria. So you could choose any of these topics, be it in sports, politics. As you can see, this is trending in politics, this is trending in sports. Nigeria is trending in politics, but I didn't politicize it. So you could see all this right now. And that is the way to go. I want you to create a content for yourself. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.